Stocks in the deep. We'll look at PTHL, GLE, AIM, BKKT, and ZOOZ. So we'll kick off with PTHL, down 95% approximately. And yes, you guessed it, you guessed it. Yes, yes, just what you thought, that's what it is. What you thought, that's what it is. You see that? You see that? Okay. So it is one of such stocks. Okay. It's one of such stocks. You have to do your due diligence. If you see the stock rallying like this, try and find out where is this, where is it incorporated? Where is it incorporated? You can see that since late April, went from 3.76 almost, and then reached the highs of, yeah, uh, almost 10x, almost 10x. You can see that's why it has over the last 6 months 772.11%. Last 1 month 68.35%. I don't know whether if it includes. It most certainly does not include today's. Okay, over the last 1 month, it has lost everything. Yeah, so you have to be careful. This deep is most certainly not a buy. Most certainly not a buy. To be honest, it is not. There's a good chance it's going to continue to print lower prices. Um, yeah, lower prices up till the 30th of okay, up till the pre-market session of tomorrow, the 30th. A brief rebound and then further decline, and it's extrapolating that a rebound will occur. But I mean, don't even touch this with a badge pull at all. Don't even touch it with a badge pull. Let's have a look at the next stock. Okay, so we'll look at GLE. GLE down 64.16%. Let's see what we have. GLE was the name. The name is Global Engine Group. Let's find out more about GLE. Yeah, it is again. Yeah, you have to be careful. It's one of such stocks again. Yeah, down 64.31%. At least it wasn't giving false hope. It did, if you like. If it did it, if you like, from the 7th of July, 1.5 to this, yeah, almost 100%, ran up 100% gain and plunged. Don't even think that because it did this here, it's going to do it again. Don't you can't rely on that. We have upper projections 3.6, 3.16, 3.84, 4.26. You know, you cannot rely on that. You can't rely on those upper projections. I don't think there's any news. No news. Yeah, no news at all. Intraday low $1 over there. Let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. Lower prices expected to keep printing up till Friday, the 1st of August. Yeah, lower prices. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if that turns out to be the case. Okay, so let's move on to AIM. AIM down 55.69%. I think it was down yesterday as well. Immunobiotech. Okay, not one of such companies. Immunotech shares drop okay after $8 million offering priced. Okay, climbed on positive data from ongoing phase two study. Okay, so they took advantage of yesterday's rally. Did they? Okay, I can't see that here. Well, let's have a look here. Yeah, yesterday intraday high 35.1 and it didn't hold. Okay, it didn't hold. I think that when did they price it yesterday? Okay, so lower prices are expected to keep printing up till Tuesday, the 5th of August, and then after that, we might see a consolidation that with a bearish bias, and we remain like that up till the Tuesday, the 4th of September, or even beyond. You know, let's see what we have. Upper projections currently in play right now. We have 3.34, not so high, 0.95 to 0.9258. It's a downward projection. Upper projections for upper projections. Let's see what we have. 6.53, 3.3 to 1.34. So 6.53 is one upper projection. Okay, we even have higher prices 12.67, 14.33, $17, 25.46, 28.16, 29.82, and yeah, 35.1. I guess. It had to do this because it has that room. But in any case, you can't rely on those upper projections, very lofty upper projections. You can't really. At some point, maybe on another day when some positive outcomes come out, it may spike. But for now, it didn't hold yesterday's on. It spiked and gave up everything within before the market closed, so it didn't register at all, and it has gone on to decline further. Yeah. Okay, let's move on to BKKT. BKKT is supposed to be into crypto, I mean, Bitcoin, I believe. Yeah, BKKT, lower prices. Okay. Okay, backed holdings launches a $5 million equity offering at $10 per share, comprising 6.8 million Class A shares and 746,373 pre funded warrants. Shares dropped 41% as a result of that. Intends to use the proceeds from offering for Bitcoin purchases and various corporate purposes. Agreed on the 23rd of July, the company agreed to sell its loyalty business to Project Labrador Holdco, allowing Backed to focus on its main cryptocurrency services. Okay, lower prices are expected to keep printing, going all the way towards Tuesday, the 9th of September, or even beyond. Okay, upper projections 19.84. No guarantee that that will pan out. Even higher prices and lower prices as well 7.71, 8.86, 10.72, 19.3 to 22.62, 24.66. Yeah. Okay, let's have a look at ZOOZ down 45.58. Let's see. Okay, got the rejection and yeah, let's see now. Something happened some time ago. Shares down, plans $180 million private placement for Bitcoin reserve strategy. Okay, yeah. 1.92 now. That's the current price. At some point, it went from early late June, went from 0.7565, more than 10x. Okay, so this is, I think, a second straight day of losses for the stock. Yeah. What are the projections? 1.47, it's a downward projection, nothing to the upside. Anything to the upside? Let's see, you might get something here. We have 2.12, 2.26, 2.48, 3.54, 4.01, 4.38. Let's check out its 4-hour chart and see. Lower prices expected to remain in place up till Monday, the 4th of August, and then after that, we might get a bounce. Yeah, bounce towards 2.26, and then after that, we might see a sideways movement with a bias to the downside, a bearish bias. Let's see what we have. 1.48. It's a downward projection. Yeah. Okay, so our best bet, if you like, in terms of projections for zoos, will be the ones we saw here on the daily chart, going all the way back to late December. We have 2.12, 2.26, 2.48, 3.54, 4.01, 4.30. So have a look at these stocks, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.